Oh, no, no, no. Not like this. Ladies and germs, boys and girls, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, and today it has to happen. I'm roasting Space Jam 2: A New Legacy. Not only that, but I also have a package with the Tommy Hilfiger times Space Jam collaboration items that I purchased, and yes, it's a small box, so I did not go absolutely crazy because a lot of the items were overpriced and weren't that great, okay? So I was thinking, should I review the movie, which I watched yesterday? Should I do another merch review? But Space Jam has stuff in PacSun, Target, obviously the Nike stuff, the members only. There's so many Space Jam collabs. It's absurd, it's egregious. So I might get into some of that, but for now, we're gonna get into the movie review. Now, when it comes to the Space Jam 2: A New Legacy movie, bruh, it was a letdown. I'm not even gonna lie, it was a letdown. Like, I'm telling you guys this, midway through the movie, I pulled out my phone and I looked to see how long the movie was. It was 2 hours, bruh. Like, if this movie came out on VHS, it would probably be 2 tapes. Thing was so damn long. Like, the original Space Jam, #1, was concise and straight to the point. Like, less than a year ago, I was watching it, shipping orders, and then it ended. I was like, dang, that was quick. It had a goal. It accomplished it. Breezed through. Mission complete. Perfection. Perfect. This last one had so much stuff going on. It was like I was going through a maze watching the movie. I'm like, damn, bruh. This thing is dragging on. And not only that, like, the opening scene gave me chills, gave me goosebumps. There was nostalgia pumping through my veins. It entered like an old school 90s movie. Like the first Space Jam, there were cutscenes of LeBron, highlights of his career. And I was like, oh, this finna hit. This is about to be epic. I was ready for it. Opening scene after that, LeBron's acting was atrociously garbage. Like, trash! Straight up basura, trash, garbage, bruh. But it's like, this man LeBron is obviously not an actor. And Jordan wasn't either, but Jordan knew that and just was doing him, as the second movie says. Jordan was being himself and it was sellable. It like came off, you accepted it. LeBron was like trying to be an actor and he's not an actor, so it was just not good. So then getting into it, the main evil dude's name was Algorithm, like an algorithm. And I was just sitting here like, dude, why is this guy named Algorithm? Like, really, kids are gonna be sitting here while there's all this algorithm talk, knowing what's going on. And that to me is when it started turning like, this ain't even for the children. So they started referencing everything out of Warner Brothers universe. Like, they were referencing Austin Powers.
I shagged her rotten, baby, yeah.
I'm like, dude, a kid is not gonna know what that is. Like Casablanca, there's just so many references that's just like, it will go over a kid's head and the kid's just sitting here like, what's going on? LeBron was morphing into Harry Potter. Like, there was a little bit of it that could have been okay, but it was just too much. And then when they got to the basketball game, after like, you already watched an hour of the movie, the basketball game was so damn long too. Like, at halftime, I was sitting here like, okay, Toon Squad lost? Like, that's the end of the game. I legit was like, okay, LeBron lost, Evil wins, let's wrap this up, it's fine. And then they're like, oh, it's halftime, we got another half. I'm like, a whole nother half of trash, dude. Like, the game was so damn long, I could have done without it, in all honesty. Like, oh my God, there's a rap battle. There's so much advertising too, which in the first one, obviously there's a Space Jam 11. In the second one, they had like the Nike jerseys. It was cool. But like at one point, LeBron fell, without spoiling the movie. He hits the ground and instead of making like a cookie cutter shape, as if it was a cartoon, he hits the ground and forms a big ass Nike logo as the hole in the ground. Like, the hole is a Nike logo. Bro, what? We don't do 3 stripes. I was just sitting here like, man, this is doing the most. It's too much, too many references. It wasn't for the children. And then when the movie finally ended, I was like, thank God, because I'm not going to lie, I started dozing off. Like, the movie was just too long, man. Like, it started at 8:50. I was checking my phone at 10:55 to see, like, how much longer this movie had, bruh. It was, wow. Yeah, I was ready to get out of it. I think it was worth the watch. But as we drove back to my house in the car, my girlfriend and I were talking, and I was just like, bro, there is no way in hell I will watch this movie again. Maybe in like 5 years. But the original you can watch every other month and still get enjoyment. It's fun. It's doing its thing. It's not trying to do too much. The animation was good for its time. And the new one had good animation too. Like, don't get it twisted. But it just was not for the children. Like, how do you have this plot? Like, this timeless plot, and you whiff on it, bruh. You just add so many bells and whistles, so much unnecessary stuff, that it just becomes some mumbo jumbo maze of a movie. Dude, just make it straight to the point, bruh. Jesus. Anyways, man, thank you guys for making it through a Cantu movie review. But, dang it. But let's get into my Tommy purchases real quick, okay? Real quick. And thanks for watching this too, by the way, guys. I love y'all. And if y'all saw Space Jam 2: A New Legacy, let me know what you thought about it. And yeah, I didn't want to give up the whole plot of the movie because obviously it just came out. Getting in here, got some paper, okay. Wow. Dude, what is this? The box is crushed. First of all, this box looks like an accordion, dude. Like, you're in Mexico City and someone's just playing this box on the bus. Like, what is happening? All right, but you guys see, I did get a box. So obviously, I got some shoes, but not normal shoes. I got some slides, baby. That is right. I got the Bugs Bunny hook shot slides right here, and these smell like a DSW, man. They smell like a Skechers outlet, and that's what I need in my life. The quality of the printing does look kind of trash. I'm not gonna lie. How is Tommy like an American designer and they're just whiffing on the quality? Like, that is horrendous. These do have the potential to exhibit how dirty your foot is. So they are white, big risk, but you know, only gonna rock these when, you know, I'm clean. Whoops. I'm clean and freshly showered, got my toes freshly done up, you feel me? So yeah, I like these guys right here. They're cool, and so that's why I had to get these dudes. And honestly, I made the previous video just to really fund these purchases because I wanted some things. Wow, they only threw in half my order. I thought my other item was in there as well, and it's not. So there it is, Space Jam, A New Legacy times Tommy. If I could describe the movie in cardboard lid form, this accurately depicts it. The movie was kind of a brick.
Wow.
All right, I'm gonna get into a couple more things just while we're out here, while we're perusing. We might as well just talk about the Nike Space Jam gear, and someone also wanted the members only Space Jam gear review. So we're just gonna slide up on Space Jam Nike. And unfortunately, I missed out on the release. I was just sleep, but I do like, oh my God, I do like these shoes on Flight Club right here. The Space Jam times LeBron 18 low, Wiley Roadrunner. These is hard, okay? Looks like a cloud is the check. Got that beep beep, and the colorway is fire. I'm not even gonna pretend, dude. The colorway for the new jerseys was really nice, but the new jerseys being $120 is straight out of here. And then Nike has the nerve to say sustainable materials like there aren't children's hands in Pakistan making these things, bruh. Personal foul, tripping.
Personal foul, tripping.
But the colorway is sick. I might have to grab one of these. And the Goon Squad stuff is pretty cool too. Like, that purple color is nice, okay? Nice. Look at the purple, and look at this guy just staring off into nowhere, man. Hells yeah. But $120 for some Space Jam gear is nuts. Hoodie, $120. Shorts, $60. Hoodie, $90. Hey, this hoodie's hard. I didn't even see this one. The zipper pocket, come on, dude. What is this, 2013? Tripping. All right, let's see what else, guys. They have the children's sizes. Oh, the Just Do It tee? Man, get out of here, error. Oh, it's not available. Nice. The Just Do It tee is a classic, but dude, nothing out here is really moving me. They are adding new stuff. Like, I don't even think this tie-dye shirt was on here yesterday. But personally, I'm not buying any item with LeBron James on it, because I don't want to be reminded of how bad this movie was. We have Lola, the thought of the bunny universe. I love it, man. Talented young woman coming soon. They don't even have half this stuff in stock. Like, what is going on? Maybe because it would have all sold out. I'm not exactly sure. Dude, the headbands go off. $10. I might have to get that Toon Squad headband and just regrow the mullet for it. Wristbands, nice. Oh, then the headband is super, super tough. Super tough. Got Lola on it. Got the little back strap. Oh, yeah. I likes that little dangleberry. You have the ball revolutionizing on a finger. That's cool. Sold out the Toon Squad satin jacket. That's a hit, not gonna lie. The shorts are pretty hard too. But who's just, I don't know. I'm not just gonna rock LeBron like Toon Squad shorts just casually, but I guess people are. And the basketball sold out. The basketball is tough. One exception, I'd have LeBron on this basketball. That thing is nutty. Now let's go on over to members only. Space Jam and see what they are twerking with. Oh, so they have a jacket at Zoomies. Yeah, they went ham with the merch, bruh. Not even gonna lie, but I saw some members only like Looney Tunes stuff that was at Ross. Okay, it wasn't Space Jam, but it was at Ross. So let's see what's going on. Their stuff is already on sale. 130 and now it's 85. Like, that is not a good sign. Let me see this. Oh, this jacket is really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I like the all over print, but I don't know what I would, I mean, I could wear stuff with this, but it is quite churlish. And it's not vintage. Like, I just feel like the quality of material is gonna be booty meat. The women's though. All right, the women's jacket I would definitely get. They didn't even show if the men's jacket had this thing on the backside. Hold on. The backside is so sick. I'm not gonna lie, I would probably get this jacket. It's hard, but 85 bucks, definitely not. I will just hit up a Ross in the future, and I feel like this will definitely be there. The hook shot, they got the whole squad in white. How do you do that? How do you newly release a product and put it on sale? That makes me just lose faith in the quality right here, man. Got this dude over here, got a nice, I don't know, kind of a cylinder-like head. You feel me? Space Jam. This stuff is alright, dude. There's just so much merch. Like, I saw there was a PacSun collab. Hold on. PacSun Space Jam. Look at this. They got the t-shirt here, but the hoodie, okay, the hoodie and these pants go off like a light. I would probably get these pants. How much are they? 50? Wait, where's the price? $50. $10 off with code HEATWAVE. All right, guys, so there you go. Use my code HEATWAVE, dude. Yeah, man, there's just so much merch. I kind of want to grab it just so in the future I like have it, but at the same time, this stuff will hit the thrifts in like 5 years, most likely, and we'll be hitting Ross shelves. But anyways, there it is, guys. Space Jam, A New Legacy, Tommy sandals, and some more reviews. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Smash a like button, do all that good stuff. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. And if this isn't your type of video that you like to see, then unsubscribe, dislike, leave a hateful comment. Whatever you need to do, express yourself. I love you guys, and until next time, I'm locked, I'm loaded, ThriftTimeVillage.com, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.